You will need a clever drip and filter, a kettle, a scale and coffee cup, a coffee grinder, timer, stirrer and scooper, and Café-te-ría coffee. Fold the edges of your filter and insert into the drip. Pour hot water in to sanitize, rinse and pour out. Then, put your drip on top of the scale and pour in 2 tablespoons or around 22 to 24 grams of ground Café-te-ría coffee. Start the timer as you pour in off the boiled water. When the timer hits 1 minute 15 seconds, stir. At 4 minutes, stir again. Place the dripper on top of a mug to start draining the coffee. To stop the flow, simply lift the dripper off the mug. Serve and enjoy.